In this video, we will look at configuring the Netvio JP4 series AV over IP system. Using the Netvio 360 software for Mac or PC, available from netvio.co.uk. Once all of your hardware is correctly connected as per the Netvio user guide, open the Netvio 360 software on your laptop and press Scan for Devices to discover the Netvio controller. The Netvio software will look for the CTL port of the Netvio CL, and your laptop should be connected to a wired or wireless network that can see that port. Whether or not you have a DHCP server on the network, the Netvio software and your laptop should configure to the same network settings, provided you're set to DHCP on your laptop as well, enabling you to see the unit straight away. Once you have discovered the controller, it will alert you to any new firmware versions that are available, which I recommend installing at this stage, and then press Configure to access the configuration interface of the controller. The first time you connect, you'll be asked for your username and password. The default username is admin, and default password is password, all lowercase. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by an identical screen to our matrix. However, the inputs and outputs are currently not populated, as we have not yet scanned and assigned for endpoints. Simply press Scan and Assign, and the Netvio controller will trawl the network for any available endpoints and place them in the correct columns. On this system, I have 2 encoders and 2 decoders identified by their MAC address, so I highly recommend taking a note of the MAC addresses of each unit as you install them. And then you will see that they initially loaded with red RJ45 icons, but very quickly they synchronized with the CL. You saw a synchronizing icon, and then the blue RJ45 logo appeared to show that they had finished synchronizing and are now online. The first step of configuration is to name your devices. If you have a note of the MAC addresses, you can simply use those notes, or if you didn't take a note of the encoders, you can view the preview stream from the source to enable you to say which source is which within your system. I know this is my Skybox and this is my FreeSat. You can do the same on the outputs. However, I know this is my Sony TV and this is Hisense. It's possible to view information about the current video format and EDID information that your system is set to. By default, we set to 4K 30, 444, 7.1 audio with HDR. It is recommended that you fine-tune your EDIDs. There is a dedicated EDID video on our YouTube channel. To start to configure